What's something people don't know about backup cameras? They can be super finicky. Backup cameras are a lifesaver, but sometimes they go on vacation. If your Hyundai Tucson's camera isn't working, don't panic. First, check the basics. Is your screen black or just showing a blue screen? A black screen usually means a loose connection. Pop the hood and check the camera wiring, make sure everything's snug and secure. If it's a blue screen, it could be a software glitch. Try restarting your car. Yes, like a computer, still no luck? Look at your car's settings. Sometimes the camera gets turned off accidentally. Go to the settings menu and see if the camera is enabled. Another trick is to clean the camera lens. Dirt or moisture can mess with the view. Give it a gentle wipe with a soft cloth. If none of these work, it might be time to visit the dealer. They can run a diagnostic check to pinpoint the issue. Remember, keeping your camera in tip-top shape makes reversing safer for everyone. And there you have it. Simple steps to troubleshoot your Hyundai Tucson's backup camera. Drive safe.